question? Received and analyzed your recent damage report. Telemetry from Ares confirms your status. Mission status is now flyby only. Your initial assessment has been confirmed. Due to vehicle damage, you will not be landing on Mars.
See, I was right.
Everyone here at Mission Control sends their regards.
Roger that.
We are now assessing the parameters of your new mission. You can expect an update by 0800. Please confirm your relative distance and speed, and then, Grace, get some sleep. Stand by. Please confirm speed 24,286 kilometers per second, distance from Earth 35.4 million kilometers. Please confirm, over.
This is Ares. Speed confirmed at 24,268 kilometers per second. Acceleration is nominal. Distance from Earth confirmed at 35,396,252 mark. Fuel rods at normal. All systems stable.
Roger that, Houston.
Jim is running a temperature and is drifting in and out of consciousness. Vitals are low and breathing is labored. And Marcy, I'll try and get some sleep if I can. Over. Goodbye, Mars.
Mayday! 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 Ares is bending atmosphere!
Houston, Jim's fever has broken, and he appears to be doing much better. Over.
How long?
22 days.
Christ.
We thought we lost you.
Thanks for not giving up on me.
Damn it, Jim, I'm a doctor.
Pretty sexy, doctor.
You're in recovery.
So, no Mars?
No.
Hell of a long trip for nothing.
Stand by, Ares, for new mission parameters.
I feel weird.
I put something in your water.
Naughty girl.
Ares Mission Control has examined your status and has come to these conclusions. Due to the recent malfunction and the revised flyby status of your mission, there appears to be just enough life support to get one of you back to Earth. I'm sorry, Jim. You know how important that telemetry on Ares is. We need the ship back, and there's only enough air to get Grace back to base.
No.
Initiate Protocol 86. Please acknowledge. Over.
Please repeat that last order, Houston. Over.
Grace,
Go back to sleep, Jim.
it's okay, I heard.
Go back to sleep.
I heard the whole thing, it's okay. You can do this.
I can't.
You know what you have to do. You have to kill me.
I won't.
Gracie, listen.
Don't Gracie me. This is not your call.
You're right, Grace, it's your decision, but you have no choice.
There's always a choice.
Not this time. You can't change the laws of physics. We can't both go back. What are you doing? Grace. Grace.
Till death do us part, right?
Grace. What are you doing?
You're right. It is my call. So I've made it.
What about our orders?
Hell with our orders.
Orders are confirmed, Grace. Initiate Protocol 86 at once. You are to terminate Jim. Please comply and respond. Over.
Curious. Where are we headed?
Jupiter.
Jupiter?
I set us on a slingshot trajectory. We should reach SETI Alpha in about 25,000 years.
Should be just enough time.
Ares, this is Houston. Over. Jim, Grace, you are way off course. Over.